Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to prepare yet another weight loss detox smoothie with a couple of ingredients that will help boost your immune system, make you lose weight, cleanse your system from all the radicals and all the waste in your system. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Need for this detox weight loss smoothie will be half a lemon, half a cucumber, a few leaves of mint, a thumb-sized ginger, a cup of water, and a tablespoon of clear honey. All our ingredients have been washed with water and vinegar. So I'll start off by chopping our cucumber up. Cucumbers are very high in many important vitamins and minerals. They contain antioxidants and they promote hydration. And they also aid with weight loss. So I'll just carefully chop our cucumbers up. Then I'll put the cucumber slices in our blender. I'll go ahead now and just chop our ginger up. Ginger has so many medicinal properties that aid with weight loss and they do treat chronic indigestion. So as you can see, I didn't peel my ginger. I always like to keep the peelings on because I believe that there are a lot of nutrients on the ginger skin. So I'll definitely just go ahead now and add my ginger slices into the blender. Having added our cucumber and ginger slices in the blender, I'll go ahead now and just add our mint leaves. Mint is a very good source of vitamin A and a great source of antioxidants, and it will help to relieve indigestion. Then I'll add my cup of water in, our tablespoon of clear honey, and then I'll go ahead and blend these ingredients. Then we'll add the lemon last. As you can see, our mixture is well blended. We'll take that off the blender. I'm now going to squeeze my lemon. I like adding the lemon last. This will cleanse your system, guys. This will make you lose belly fat in as much as you're consistent with this. All the ingredients that we've used in this smoothie, they are quite very healthy, very healthy. They all help with weight loss, and they help in flushing out all the bad waste, all the things that we don't need in our system. They help to clear your system from all the chemicals and the radicals, all the unwanted waste. That's it. And then go ahead now and add the lemon juice. Then I'll blend this just for about 30 seconds just to get everything mixed up. Okay guys, our weight loss detox smoothie is all ready. Let's go ahead and pour some into a jar so we can enjoy. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time and you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe. Try this recipe out and you thank me later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Share this with friends and family. Let's stay healthy. Bye.